I knew they were going to have an issue. I should have brought the camera down there a ways. They had a lot of trouble getting that thing over here on the dock. What's up, big dog?
Do you remember that one YouTube video that you posted about dangerous young boaters?
Was that you? What was that you in that?
Yeah, I'm the dangerous young boater.
Yes.
In front of the barge.
Okay, what happened?
My friend, he lost his hat. And it flew off.
Okay, I knew there was something like that because I seen y'all were like looking in the water or something.
Yeah, we didn't even see the barge behind us, and it turned around.
You didn't see it?
No, well, we turned around.
Hey guys, y'all remember the dangerous young boater video? That's my man right there.
Yes, sir.
I'm getting the story. They turned around for a hat, and the barge was like, oh. Yeah, dude, that junk was actually on the news.
Really?
Yeah, did you see it?
No, dude, that's crazy.
When spring break was going crazy and people were like fighting on the beach and they were having like DUIs and stuff like that, they came over. I think it was somebody from WKRG. They saw the video because it went viral. Had like 700,000 or 800,000 views on Facebook.
Daddy, look what I caught.
Hey, can I talk?
What could I caught then?
Good job.
A
Anyway,
bug.
they said, "Can we ask you about what happened?" I said, "Y'all saw the video." Basically, I was like, "Oh shoot," because I heard, "Oh," and I seen y'all like freaking banked up.
Yeah.
If somebody would have fell in the water, it'd have been bad.
Oh yeah, I know.
Because they can't stop. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
But
crazy.
yeah, I'm glad it was.
Turn myself in and tell you.
Oh yeah, hey, good to meet you, bro.
Good to meet you.
Hey, have a good one, buddy. Thanks for saying hello. Hey, we appreciate the story. There might be a rerun of it. I want to turn myself in. You didn't see it? Oh, dude, they were like hauling butt that way. No, they were hauling butt. Which way? What's going on? What's going on? What the heck is going on? Bro, these kids just did a freaking big loop in front of this tanker. What the heck? Right here on camera. Did you guys just see that? I was over there, they were saying what's up. And then this dude's hitting the horn and the kids are going crazy. What was that about? They lucky they didn't lose somebody. Was it really?
Yeah, lucky he was out there.
You ain't kidding. He's going slow. I'm taking your picture. What are you talking about?
Have a good day.
Man, I like that boat. That's sweet.
The joystick is key.
Yeah.
You got joystick on that?
Yeah.
Dude, no other way.
I don't tell nobody though.
That's right. Have a good one.
See you, brother. Y'all be good.
Dad.
Hold on. That is the Stella Blue, Orange Beach, Alabama. 28 Sportsman. Nice boat. Welcome back to the boat ramp, folks. The launch at ICW, Orange Beach, Alabama. Stoked to be here. Mother's Day weekend. It is a gorgeous day. It has been very, very nasty the last 4 or 5 days. Rainy, windy, cloudy, overcast. Finally got a break in the weather, and folks are out on the water. We're gonna have a little bit of fun today, so hang out with us, enjoy the show. Smash that like button, leave us a comment, let us know where you're watching from and what your favorite clip of the day is, or maybe you just got a suggestion for somebody. It always comes in hand, and people can learn from the mistakes here at the ramp. So thanks for tuning in. He got it. Man, right here in the Mako. I think he said no pressure. Get it up on there, boy. Get it up on there.
He just dropped the rod in 10-foot water. Yep. Hey, it was an accident, though.
Yeah, it was
Listen, right-
obviously.
Look.
I'm always getting on to people about.
See those pink shoes over there? He dropped it right behind those.
I'm always getting on to people for swimming at the boat ramp. I'm like, hey, it's a safety hazard, but they actually just dropped a freaking rod in the water.
No,
and it ain't
not
like
that, not that.
okay,
It was boom.
Yeah, $180. It's a Daiwa.
It would have been
It
he
ain't-
and she.
It ain't like a little old freaking pin blaster or something. Like it's like a high-end setup.
Hey, and I almost caught
For a
a
light
fish,
tackle,
and
it's expensive.
listen, I almost caught a fish, and then the thingy got tangled. Basically, I was just trying to untake my rod, okay, and then all of a sudden I hear, oh my gosh, and then I turned around, looked at Boone. He's like, I accidentally just dropped the rod in the water. Hey, Mr. Big Dan.
Hey.
Oh, it looks like y'all left y'all's beer on here. That was him. I got mine.
Oh, so you don't know one piece?
It's gone forever now.
Okay.
That's funny. You said as much money as this boat ramp has paid you, you can afford to buy a new one. All right, check him out right here.
Hey, you better watch out before those go in.
Okay.
Whenever those go in, I'm out.
Absolutely crazy. The kids were fishing. Lost a fishing pole. How the heck that happened, I don't know. It's alright, I forgive you. But it's coming out of your piggy bank. Huh? No. Yeah, maybe if we're in 60 feet of water. Huh? Mud. All that mud I stirred up. I know you were on my team, buddy, but good luck.
Big Dan, I love you, man.
I love you.
I love your content.
Y'all have a good day. Dang, bro, she is a little burnt up there, it looks like. No, it's 8 foot deep, dude. Heck no. Hey, I appreciate the offer for help. I'll take.
I was about to throw you my goggles.
I'll take it easy on you.
Please do. My wife's first time back in the truck.
Hey, she did good.
Yeah, dude, me and all the guys that work follow you, dude.
I appreciate it. He just said it's his wife's first time backing up the trailer. Sir, she did a dang good job. I will give it to her. We got a front row seat.
Hey, big fan of the show, man.
Hey, I appreciate y'all watching.
This one is special.
We were actually on it a few months
You the
back.
man. Were you?
Yes, sir.
Uh-oh. I just had to jump in and go swimming.
I
I literally just saw an alligator.
All right, go.
No, you didn't. Don't go under there. He's gonna get his pen. Yes.
Closer to the dock.
Like right there.
I've got the mud so stirred up down there, I can't even see it 3 inches in front of my face.
All right, well, stop stirring up the mud. It's closer to the dock.
What the heck is he doing?
Feeling it with his feet.
I know, that's what I just... Try please, cannonball.
Please. Do you feel it?
Am I being pranked right now? I'm being serious.
No, I'm serious.
You dropped it right here.
Babe, he said it went towards the boat when he watched it go down. So it's probably up underneath here.
Take your ring off. I'm about to grab his ring.
Feel it?
Keep going. You got this. You got this.
You're gonna hate me, but it wasn't even recording the last time. I'm telling. Check over here, closer, like right in
Bro,
here.
you got it.
You got
You
it?
have the fishing rod.
No, I don't.
Boone.
No,
Where are you pranking me?
Your dad is pranking you. Your dad has
Mother,
it.
It's Mother's
It's in his
Day.
feet.
You're prank. No, I promise.
I'm not believing it.
Are
You
you-
got it. I know you got it.
I'm telling you.
Whoa, was that just bird poop?
What? Who's my bird bud?
Who's fixing to crash this sportsman right here?
I just saw bird poop.
Where? Where'd it come down?
Did you get it or what?
No, I don't have it.
Bro, show us your toes.
Show us your feet.
Yeah, show us your feet. Yeah.
Are you standing?
Yeah, this is the fishing rod that I have in my toes. I've been lying this whole time.
Oh, nice.
Let's see the other toe. That go under right where
I don't know what to tell you, bro. It's over.
Well, you know what?
What?
All the dollars the boat ramps made you, you could have paid it back.
You need me on.
Can I jump in with you though?
Oh, yeah.
So what are you doing?
Looks good to me.
Oh, they pulled a trailer out from under him. Come on, Bo. Dude's got a dang party going on over there. Y'all hear him? Pumping, bro. Ooh, hit her a little hard. I like it. Get up and Schultz, brother. Did y'all make it home the other night? We did. My man had a tire hanging off. We've all been there. $800 later, I got a new one. $800 later, bro, you should have just went down there and bought a magic tilt. Dude, did y'all see the video where I pulled the guy in? Never failed. Every time I do something good, something bad happens. Uh-oh, we got a new one down there. Trying to get on the dock. We're just trying to get on the dock, folks. He's like, hey, we're being videoed. Welcome to the Big Dan Show, folks. It's all right. You can give me a wave. Everybody's been there before. Hey, you give them a wave, they're like, no, dog. It's all right.
Hey, they're gonna put the slide up Fort McRae on the 30th. See that?
I saw that.
We're gonna take a bunch of everyone's friends up there for a birthday.
Nice. Did y'all fish today or just piddle around?
Strips in his legs. It's been 3 weeks.
Hey, that little there's like a new bar and grill or something on the west side of Perdido Bridge right there. You been there? It's called yeah, Bushwhackers something. We might go there for dinner. We went there for a quick snack for some crawfish. It wasn't no good.
Here.
You the crawfish man?
Yeah. I just did
Oh shoot, my boy's in deep. Is he in deep? He was launching. It don't really matter if you're launching. Anyway, you cook 5,000 pounds of crawfish a year? That's a lot. Mm-hmm. Yeah, he gonna ride it all. Come on, give me some footage. Yeah, when I was here. It wasn't. Well, I went pulling away. That's right. That's what them poles are for. Guide poles are to hit the dock.
something that got him into the water.
That's right. You know it goes, you know it's time to bounce right off.
I love you, Big Dad.
Hey, I love you. Hey, homie, you got some baby birds in the back of the Hatsu. Got their beaks popping out.
Really? Oh, shit, you really do. Holy shit.
Actually?
Yeah, there's a bird nest back there.
First boat day of the year.
Yeah, we can tell. They're trying to fly away.
Even she sees them.
Doesn't he got a bird's nest in there?
Oh, there is a bird's nest.
Stop here a second, get 'em out.
Hope they can swim.
Makes good grouper bait. That's my wife. Rah! Wait, are we still, my man's still over here on the joystick. Is it? No, he got it going. Look at the bird's nest in the back of that motor, y'all. Why is he doing that? He loves to run that joystick. That's my dude right there. You got the money? Happy Mother's Day.